That feeling of arbitration when you force to grow a small account to go and all this. Do you know it well? If you have applied counter strategy without seeing true result, this video will reveal the game change approach that helped me break through and can do the same for you. Let's start with that together, guys. Let's go. I've got an exciting surprise line jobs for you. You stay with me until the end of the video. You won't miss it. Guys, today we're gonna use 4 indicators. That's 3, alright? We're gonna use moving average, okay? Stochastic Oscillator and Parabolic SAR. Okay, right here. Alright, so just let's set up that for period, okay, on that simple movement, and the color is up to you. Now for the second one, 17 in the May, and that style. Parabolic SAR, we're gonna use 0028 and 028, and we're gonna use pink. 1633 and EMA for that Stochastic Oscillator, and that is the full color. Okay, so that's only that, guys. We're going to trade this. We're gonna use right now time frame in 30 seconds. Okay, don't forget about that. And right Nash candle. Okay. So, and we're gonna start with $52, 1 minute of expiration time. And I hope you get it right, guys. Let's start with that. Okay, guys, going to the market right now. When I found an opportunity, I'm going to make it right and explain that's about for you. So, guys, right here, we're looking for a sell opportunity and just make this as a sell button with $30. Okay, so basically the first thing we actually saw right here before I trade is consistent candlesticks on particular level, and as you can see, our 2 moving averages intersect with each other. All right. You can also see the Parabolic SAR, this point down on this, and I also told you before, you can actually take a trade and must be able to see last 3 or most 7, 8 on Parabolic SAR print right here. If you just see that most of that, please do not take trades. I hope you get it right, guys. You understand that. It's very powerful strategy. And also it's working on to see, but it's pretty good on the real market. But it's worked perfectly well on the real, on that, okay? I hope we're getting it right, guys. So I advise you anytime you train this strategy to ensure market is consistent. And look, that's our first one, $57, and the total 79, and that's pretty good for our first one, guys. That's a downside direction. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Keep in mind that's just one strategy that completely changed our path in this market. To truly become a pro, mastering the most profitable strategies is essential. Don't worry, though it's got 2 exclusive pieces of content for you waiting for that. Let's enjoy it. So there is right here, we should be able to enter for a buy trade. Look at that. We just performed in the position right here. Went with that again with $30 on particular level. We actually found this trade pretty more like than the previous one. I not would have actually entered the trade right here at this particular level, but the reasons I still decided to enter because the Parabolic SAR is still in the full position. That is to say the market is still not exhausted, hoping to get it right. Too bad if you want to take a trade. As I said, you must be able to consistently on candlestick. That's the first thing you need to put in consideration, guys. The Parabolic SAR. We got 2 moving average intersecting each other and go place one of the Stochastic Oscillator. That's important. So, okay, we cannot forget about that. And you can see right here we make very good money so far. All right. So we got all the points right here in favor of in our chances. So we got again, look at that, $57.06 in the total on that profit, and we have in the account right now $107. So let's move on for the next one. So guys, right here we're still looking for a very good opportunity again as a buy trade. As you can see that We just performed an entry on this. So basically the reason why I'm taking trade right here is consistency of the candlestick, as I said previously. Parabolic SAR, okay, right here in this particular one. 2 intersects on moving average again, and Stochastic Oscillator. It's coming from the versus conditions and it's going towards an upside direction. Okay, that is the main reason I decided to take a trade right here. So don't forget about that, guys. 1 minute expiration time, 30 seconds on time frame. First, just take a look at Parabolic, see the consistency of the candlesticks.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Just see the direction that is moving up and Stochastic Oscillator. All right, look at that, guys. 1 second with God's this again, and we have 2 on this, guys. The third one of that, 162 in the total. That is pretty good. So all the instructions I've laid down to ensure or follow every point that guarantee you should be making very good amount, guys. So just follow that, all the settings. Okay, just leave your results in the comment sections. Remember, drop the fall in the comment sections, like the video, and also share this video. Is going to give you the algorithm to share these videos to a lot of people. So you are here to become a member. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, please, so miss the amazing video, guys. So activate the notification. This is why I'm going to stop this video. Guys, actually right now, wish you good luck and see you. Bye bye.